Finish from the AG300. It's running nice. It does have a delay. It's active. Already tested. It's locking. Already adjusted. Okay. Just I'm gonna put one piece of Teflon here because it's a or copper washer. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna use there because missing. I put one inside, but I don't have the one for outside. Looking good. It's nice and true. The surface here. Beautiful. Now, I want to deal with this one. You see how it stops? It's supposed to don't stop like that. It's supposed to keep rolling by itself. It's very stiff. Both see what it is. Oh boy, now it's stuck completely. Yeah, okay. Need to be open to see what happened. What's going on? This is important tool. The other one I had it, I don't know, 7, 8 years. I don't even remember how many years I had it. Let's open it. I hope that I'm gonna get away without having to drill the rivets and to be able to open the motor to see what's going on inside. Yeah, let's see. Let's find out, right? Yep. Let's take it apart. New tool. Yay. How beautiful is that? The motor is fixed. I didn't see anywhere any screw. There's no bolt or screw either from this side or from this side. And how in hell am I gonna open this piece of shit? This is a trace of silicone, sealant. That's how it looks like. Dang it, what stupid motor is that? I might find same motor. Oh, bullshit. Let's see. Yes, somebody already opened it before. Definitely, somebody already opened it. Let's see. Can I open it again? Most probably they opened it because they're changing. This one, take a look, it's seized. Yeah, let's open it to see. Dang it. Alright, some good news, some amazing news. It was very simple. What they have done, this one, they're opening the motor because they have to enter inside this impeller. Alright, they push this one too much inside and it was touching on the frame. Now it spins fine. Obviously the fan blades here, the impeller doesn't spin true. It's all over the place. Yeah. I don't know if you can understand through the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna make a little bit of massage to don't touch on that, on this housing. Yeah, we're gonna see about that. Nice, nice. Some good news, at least. Something is that. Let's finalize also this one. Let's see what I did. It spins freely, how it's supposed to spin, alright? Another one thing what I did, I make these two scratches. Yeah, I have to live with that. Yeah, okay, it is what it is. Let's see. Amazing. Excellent, beautiful. Perfect. Not bad. And then that's how I like it. That's how I get used to it, to work. Then, second step, we remove the cage, the dial indicator for 1,000 of an inch. We start measuring 1,000 of an inch and we put 100 of millimeter. First, it's much more precise. Second, I'm measuring millimeters, not in inches. Yeah, don't pay attention here, okay? Let's do also that and finish the story. Finish also with this tool. It's measuring in millimeters from 100 millimeter. It spins fine. Just only what I have to do, I have to make one test in one used piston ring to see that it's cutting it correct and it's straight, to be square. Okay, finish with this one, finish with this one. What's remaining? Dry ice. We're gonna come to dry ice at 3 o'clock, and then I need the fluid for the parts washer. Okay, the dry ice, I'm gonna use it on the CL63 to clean the covers. I'm gonna go slowly. Dry ice amount adjustment. I'm gonna go slowly to don't remove the color. Wish me luck. That's it. Later on, I'm gonna make another video for the CL63, how it looks like the covers or the procedure. Yeah, the ultrasonic. I'm waiting also the fluid for the ultrasonic. Yeah. Nice, not bad. One headache less, 2 headache less, actually. Thank you.